Hello everyone. This video is an introduction video to CSS. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. As HTML is used to build the structure of a website, CSS is used to design a website. You can say that CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen. In this procedure, CSS saves a lot to work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages in one go. Let us see an example of CSS which is used to design a website. Of course, we are going to start with our Notepad editor. That is the text editor that we use to write HTML codes. Now we are going to start with HTML tag. Then we are going to start with head tag, and in the head tag we are going to use style tag. Now please remember, this style tag is used to insert style sheets. Now the style sheets, the style definitions are normally saved in external .css files. With an external style sheet files, we can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. Now here, suppose you want to change the background of the web page and you want to make it light blue color. So we are going to write body and then we are going to change the background color to be light blue. So we are going to write like this, light blue. Okay, and then if we have to change the heading and we want the color of the heading to be white and we want the text aligned to be center. So we are going to give this command, and if you want your paragraph to be of the font family Verdana, so you will write like this, Verdana, and you want the font size to be for 20 pixels. So we'll give font size 20 pixels. Now please remember the font size, if we have to specify, it should be in pixels. And now we are going to close the style tag and the head tag also. Now we'll start with the body tag. Now you remember that body tag is used to present whatever you want to write on the screen. So here we are going to write our heading, that is my first CSS example, and closing of the head tag, then paragraph. So we'll write this is a paragraph, and we'll close the paragraph tag and we'll close the body tag here. And finally, we'll close our HTML tag. So we are going to save this file now, file save as, and we are going to give it a name CSS-1, as this is our first CSS example. And please don't forget to write our extension, that is HTML. So we'll save this file as css1-1.html. Now this file already exists on my computer. If I want to replace it, I will click on yes. And now after that, I'll press Ctrl and O. When I'll press Ctrl and O, it is going to ask me which file I want. But before that, I have to go to my web page. So I'll write Ctrl and O, and then I'll click on that file, and you can see here the color of the web page is light blue, which I wanted, and you can see the heading also is in the center and white in color, and my paragraph is the font Verdana and size of the Text is 20 pixels. Now let us understand the CSS syntax. A CSS rule set consists of a selector and a declaration block. Now here if you can see in this example, H1 is the selector and then we have the declaration block in the curly brackets. Now this declaration blocks consist of one or more declaration which are separated by semicolon. Now each declaration includes two things. One is the CSS property name and other is the value which is separated by a colon. Now value can be predefined or user defined.